Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix AOL app not working. So now let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device if it's an iOS device or an Android device. In my case, I'm gonna launch App Store here. Here we go. Now once you are here, you'll see the option of search at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now once you are here, tap on the search bar and then search for AOL. Now tap open the application that is on top. Now once you are here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on that option of update and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. So now let's jump right into another step. So open settings on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here, tap on the option of General. Now once you are here, tap on the option of iPhone storage. With that, you'll come across various applications on your mobile device. Now scroll down below until you see AOL. Once you see the app, tap open the application. Now once you are here, tap on the option of Offload app. Now tap on the option of Offload app again at the bottom of your screen. By following this step, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Now before reinstalling the app, wait for some time and then again tap on Reinstall application. After the app has been reinstalled, you can open the application and your problem will definitely be fixed. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.